This is Third House Books and Coffee, an independent bookstore in downtown Gainesville. As one of the only such shops in town still operating amidst commercial and online retailers, it's considered a local hub for learning, idea sharing, and community organization. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Unlike many corporate-owned shops that stock their inventory to appeal to mainstream sensibilities, Third House specializes in curating titles from independent publishers and marginalized voices. The shelves here on the front of the shop contain literature across many genres, including history, fiction, music, children's stories, and more. There's a book club having a discussion towards the back. Let's listen in.
School, and despite that, there's still these strong morals in certain characters, and you think this is kind of a place where it's kind of like when you have a substitute teacher and you're like, well, I can get away with anything, right? But that's not really the case, and I feel like Elwood is really.
This is the Civic Media Center, a local nonprofit alternative library and presentation space working to engage local citizens in causes for social justice and progressive policy. Today I've accompanied the owner of Third House Books to the CMC, where she has organized a public speaking session and book signing for Chanice, a 16-year-old community activist and author of Young Revolutionary, A Teen's Guide to Activism.
On the election, because there's going to be so much political power, just in the amount of 17-year-olds who are turning 18 next year that can influence elections, local or national. So yeah, I would just say more outreach and education for younger people who will be 18.
Here we are a few miles across town at the Harn Museum of Art on the University of Florida campus. The Harn is a large space that hosts a variety of rotating exhibits featuring artists from around the world. The pieces on display range from traditional paintings and photographs that adorn the museum walls to abstract sculptures and cultural artifacts from civilizations throughout history. Entry into the Harn is free for UF students and is always a great opportunity to discover something extraordinary. Right next door to the Harn is the Florida Museum of Natural History, which contains its own set of exciting sites and exhibits. With giant fossils on display and rooms designed to transport you into prehistoric environments, the Museum of Natural History is a great destination for curious minds, either in person or through virtual experiences like the video you're watching now. Finally, we find ourselves in perhaps the most popular attraction at the museum, the butterfly rainforest. The space contains a lush tropical ecosystem that provides habitat to exotic flowers, birds, fish, and as one might imagine, thousands of butterflies and moths, represented by over 50 unique species. Take a few moments now to take in the environment and try to spot some wildlife yourself.